Hello my friends and my family. Thank you guys for following me again today and welcome back to my channel. Here I wanted to share with you guys a little extra from that time we went to Playa Linda in the crocodile sanctuary. I hope you guys enjoy the music by these local musicians here in Ixtapa. Also, let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this kind of music and want me to find them again and get more. On this short video, we're gonna send the drone to check out the crocodile sanctuary and get a closer look of the wildlife living within. On this short, I won't go over the animals living here in the sanctuary, but if you want to learn about the many types of birds here, please be sure to check out my Playa Linda videos. So my intention behind making this short video is to give you an exclusive insider's view that only someone with a drone like the one I have can get. So please enjoy this amazing footage of inside the crocodile sanctuary where no tourist has ever gone before. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Also stay tuned because we're gonna send the drone or hummingbird to get a close and personal interview with the crocodiles here in the sanctuary. Hit the notification bell to be notified when that video comes out. Thank you guys and I love you all.